Hey guys, this is Matt with Work with Matt Marketing and Bay, and for this video we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to make a banner for your website or a blog site. Now this will be a simple banner. Later in later tutorials I will show you how to add pictures and everything to it to make it a bit more dazzling, so to speak. So we're going to actually go to a site. It's actually a program that you can use online to edit and modify pictures and create different things, and this program is called Pixlr. So we're going to go to www.pixlr.com/editor, editor, and you're going to click enter, and it's going to take you to the Pixlr online editor. So now once you come to the program, you're going to go to create a new image, and under the new image bar you're going to see different options under presets, and right here you see the different sizes they already have preset for banners. You have your traditional lengthwise banner, which is 468 by 60, your leaderboard, which is the big banner that you usually see at the top of blogs and websites, and you have the skyscraper, which is 120 by 600. Those are the banners you see on the side of the blogs for the ads. And here you have the little rectangle ads, you have the medium rectangle ads, and then you have the large rectangle ads. So you have those preset settings. So we're just gonna go to 468 by 60, or better yet, let's go to 728 by 90. So we're going to select that, and we're going to select the transparent option. So now we have the transparent option. So once we do this, we're going to go to the left to the toolbar area, and we're going to give the background a nice gradient. So we're going to click on this gradient tool, and as we can see here, we have our gradient. Now I'm going to click on radial. It's now set to linear, but we're going to do a radial gradient. So select the radial, and once you select that, you're going to select the gradient option. You're going to click on it, and once you click on that, we're going to choose a gradient. Now I think this blue is pretty nice. Yeah, let's go with the blue. It's better yet, let's go with this. I like this. It's dark, it's sleek, and the contrast of the words will be seen a whole lot better with this background. So we're going to select that gradient. Now we're going to start from the middle, alright, and we're going to drag this thing to about right here. This should be perfect, and we're going to let go, and there we have our banner background. So everything is coming together. That's our first layer, and now we're just going to add some simple text. So over here in the toolbar area, I'm going to select the tools, and we're going to select the text, and now we have the text activated. So we're going to click and add a text box. Now we can select our font style. I personally like a really good clear font for my, let's see, Century Gothic is a really nice fancy font, so we're going to use that. And we're going to make the color white. I'm going to go up here. Alright, if you didn't see that, you just click on the color box and you drag this little circle to the top. You let it go. Click OK. And I'm going to increase that to about 32 because it's pretty big. Now, once we have that, reset, make sure that if it resets, then you put it back to white. And for the text, we're gonna put click here to save, or we can just put click here to save up to 80% off vacation vacation. Yeah, let's just do that, because with Wake Up Now program that I'm in, we do a promotion for whatchamacallits, so for vacations. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna click OK. But we're actually gonna go back, alright, because this looks a little narrow. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna select it, and we're gonna go to bold. I'm gonna bold that up a little bit. So now we have text, but we want to make it a little more fancy. So go to the tools bar area and select the move tool. We're gonna click the use the up and down arrows on our keyboard to kind of move it closer in the middle. And once we're done with that, we're gonna right click over here on the layers bar on the text. And when we right click, we're gonna go down to layer styles. Once the layer styles come up, we're going to drag it over here, and we're going to click on drop shadow. Now this is going to give it some nice depth, and it's going to make it look a bit more better. So we click on drop shadow, click on it, and when that comes up, make sure the checkbox is selected, and we're going to tone up the capacity a little bit to 85. Now the distance, it's too far, so we're going to go down a little bit to about 2. Now the angle, don't delete the negative, or leave the negative. If you just put positive, this is what's going to happen. It's going to go up. We want it to go down. So we're going to put negative minus sign 90. So now we have that. And the size, we're going to make it around 5. And we're going to bump up the opacity. Yeah, let's make it a little bolder. So distance, let's see what 1 looks like. Yeah, 1 is perfect. I like 1. So now we have that, and that's pretty much it. So now that we have our text, we can kinda play with it a little bit. So we're gonna go back to the text bar. I'm gonna select 80%, and we're gonna give 80%. Well, we can't do it. Alright, so just leave that alone. Don't even worry about that. Alright, that's okay. So that's pretty much how you make a banner. And once you're done, you can go to File, Save As. You can save it to your computer and call it Banner 1. JPEG is pretty good. I love Ping because the quality is better. I'm gonna click OK. It's going to tell you where. Just select desktop, save, and that's it. So you can X this out. Do you want to save the image? No. And you can go to the desktop, and here it is. And there we have it. It's a banner. So you can use this and hyperlink it. Click on it, takes them to where they want to go, to where you want them to go. And that is how you make a simple banner using Pixlr. Thank you once again, ladies and gentlemen. I am Matt from Work with Matt Marketing Bay, and I will see you on the next video.